I see you found my location. How annoying. Lucky for me, I expected your arrival. Smile sent me here, and you are not going to stop our plans. I brought 4 of your worst fears across Roblox to hunt you down. The RIS is nothing. Leave the game, or never have the chance to again.
This is an emergency alert issued by the Department of Homeland Security. We have confirmed that Repla County does not exist, and there has never been a county by that name. Any mention of such a county by that name is a lie and should be reported immediately. The Central Task Force has been deployed to enforce this mandate, so we ask that all residents step outside of their homes and surrender peacefully. Rest assured you will not be harmed. Thank you, citizens, for your unwavering cooperation.
Player? Player, is that you? You survived the fall? I can see the fire from the school. Come to the mall to meet up with Hunter and I. Let me just... There. You can track us now. Be careful. That's it. Just walk down the road, and we'll meet you there.
You shouldn't trust your radio so much, Blue. Now I know where you are thanks to your friend. I'll make sure you wish you were back. I present to you the Stalker.
Be gone, stalker.
This is not the end.
Player, are you alright? I saw everything.
Neo, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just a small scratch on the torso.
Good. I've always hated Roblox monsters. They're the worst. I'm surprised the thing could run. Its animations were so rusty.
Beck is calling. Hold up. Alright, we found player. He's still alive. Where are we meeting up?
You go with that 43 you had. I didn't hear any, but I had just looks likely.
Copy. See you. Alright. The boys want to group up by the neighborhood. Yup. There's the tracker. Start heading over there. We're right behind you.
I'll join later, because I'm going to stand with other stuff around here. Trust me, she's an amazing person.
Are you going to keep embarrassing me, or what? Wait a sec. What's that?
I'm done. You think you're so special with your uniforms and your group. You're nothing to us. Tonight, you will fall. Once and for all.
This is an official emergency broadcast from the government of Roblox. We inform you that there has been a significant radioactive spill at the location. Multiple unknown anomalies have been reported soon after the incident. Your safety is priority, and we urge you to take immediate action. Follow these instructions to protect yourself and your loved ones, while your government works on addressing the situation. When you are at home or work, you may ignore and seal all windows and doors. If you come across an anomaly, try to tear it off but do not interact with it. If it
Take the gun.
This isn't a game anymore. Where is your other friend, hmm? You left him by himself, and now I have him here. Go on, speak for them. You want him back, hmm? Come to the long road on the side of the city, or else your friend here will explode. Just like your feeble facility we destroyed. I'm waiting.
We're getting him, right?
We have to focus on the mission. We can't go after him. It's a trap.
He's our friend. He's important.
Avis gave us direct orders. We can't.
Hoff, don't just stand there.
It's either him or everyone we've ever cared for.
Beck, he's our friend. We can't do this.
Okay, fine. We have to watch out next time. You, Claire, I'll follow you. Me and Hoff, you two fix the bridges around here. Join us later. Here, follow this.